Safety valve test. I'm just trying this boiler out after it's a few changes to the water glass. It used to blow off about 50 pounds, so I moved it back down to 40. Just running on one burner for this static test. The safety valve on the top there directs the steam down to up to a pipe that goes into the exhausts on the steam diesel. Slightly new arrangement there on the back here. Trying to get an accurate gauge glass reading and no more water to the motor. Conducted under the range hood.